again, guys. Today it's me, Nate. Also, don't ask why I said. Just ignore the people in the background, okay? Let me play. 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 Finally, I have gotten in the game. Just beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it. No one wants to be defeated. Also, what did you think of the Michael Jackson impression?
Started collecting yung sneakers as a fashion statement. Tapos kailangan parang kasi bago ka naman ng pair. Natuwa lang ako na binalik ulit mo yung mga shoes na yung mga nakakain ko. Kaya hanggang sa ngayon, una bilhin ng isa, hanggang sa bilhin ng isa pa, hanggang sa...
Guys, I'm just doing my class.
Yung iba, ginagamit nila. Pero yung iba, i-display na nila. Parang masaya na sila na gano'n. Na nakikita na naka-display, hinahawak-hawak.
Where was the body?
Kasi kapag ano-ano na, yung medyo hindi naman sa pangolekta. Kasi medyo siguro yung budget mo, hindi naman ganun kapasok para sa ganyan klaseng video. Yun yung disadvantage nun. Kasi hindi naman. Kahit sino basta may paa, pwede maging sneakerhead. As long as kaya naman ng makabili, pwede sila maging sneakerhead. Yung pinakamahal na Nike.
Where's plant? Where's plant? Plant. Oh, this guy's so. What? Yeah. Cafeteria. My body was in cafeteria. You already saw cooked meat. He was the imposter. Anyway, that's